Well, it is raining at Waning Moon 2 Observatory. This will be a test to see how the camera fares being outside and directly subjected to rain. It's not raining that hard, but it's a fairly steady, light drizzle. There goes a bat. And you can tell when the raindrops hit the dome because then you get some distortion. The trees were swaying earlier from the high winds that passed through. I had hoped to look for an iridium flare at 5 something in the morning. Would have been right between the dome and the tree at the top. But the way it's going right now, it looks like we'll be looking at rain all night long.